tobacco's bud, an Indian weed grows green at morn, cut down at eve. It shows a decay, we are but clay. Think of this when you smoke tobacco.
Think of this when you smoke tobacco.
The pipe that is so lily white, wherein so many take delight. Gone with a touch, man's life is such. Think of this when you smoke tobacco.
Think of this when you smoke tobacco.
The pipe that is so far within shows how the soul is stained with sin. It doth require the purging fire. Think of this when you smoke tobacco.
Think of this when you smoke tobacco.
The ashes that are left behind do serve to put us all in mind that unto dust return we must. Think of this when you smoke tobacco.
Think of this when you smoke tobacco.
The smoke that doth so high ascend shows that our life must have an end. The vapor's gone, man's life is done. Think of this when you smoke tobacco.
Think of this when you smoke tobacco.